Thank you. I would now like to introduce to you the Consul General of Romania.
Thank you all for coming here in Manchester to celebrate such a bountiful culture from Romania, from Slovakia, from Hungary, from all over the Eastern Europe. We have a vibrant and new community here in the northwest of England. Many of our Romanian nationals have come here only for just a few years, but they have settled here and they have make a home in this city and all the cities in the northwest of England. I'm really glad that you'll have this opportunity during the next few days to enjoy the cooking and the culture and the music from made possible by the organizers of the festival. I'd like to welcome both the artists that came from Romania and also from all kinds of cities in England. Thank you very much.
Góbéfest is a great short feature of the daughters of the central Manchester, filling the center of the city with the solar and during this festival, we will also music, big welcome to all the artists and musicians, dancers, strangers that are here, and they can stay here, and relax. And to start the festival, we usually thank you.
Thank you.